Hello Lifestyle, it's Lushawn. If you've just found my channel, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me here on Lushawn's Lifestyle. So today's video is my tutorial of my DIY cash envelopes. I made envelopes for my household budget and also for my own personal budget. I'm utilizing some prints I got from Michaels along with the Happy Planner colorful boxes, my X-Acto paper cutter, and a ruler that I got purchased from Dollar Tree. Also laminating pouches that I purchased from Office Depot, along with my laminator that I purchased from Amazon. Actually, it was free. I used my points. I have a lot of points on from my American Express, so I was able to utilize my points. All right, so we're gonna speed this along, and so y'all aren't sitting and watching me kind of do this in real time. First, I'm working on the cash envelopes for the household budget, and there's 4 of them. I have groceries, house cleaning, household items, and lawn care items. As I said earlier, I got these prints, the tie-dye ones and the solid ones from Michaels. I think they were like 79 cents each, if I'm not mistaken. So those are the 4 that I made. Also, I made 4 for my personal budget, a little bit different. I did those off camera. So now I'm utilizing the colorful boxes to put down the labels. Now I was just trying to decide which color was best. I decided to go with the black. There are hints of black in the tie-dye print, and the black goes well with the red solid print, paper. So I went with that, and then those again were the envelopes for my personal budget. So at this point, I am taking my pouch and trying to see exactly how I want to position the envelopes in the pouch to get the most bang for my buck from the pouches, because they can be kind of pricey. So I'm just going ahead and feeding it through the laminator, and you can see it actually made the color on the tie-dye more vibrant once I put it through the laminator. So I was happy about that. They came out really nice. So now I am doing the next group of envelopes. So here you can see I was playing around to see if I could I was trying to get all of them in there, to be quite honest, but technically you really can only get 3 in here, no matter how you position them to make it, make them make sense that they won't, fall apart. You want to make sure that they're laminated properly. So here I'm just being super anal perfectionist to make sure that they were all even, and it really didn't matter, because once you cut them, it's going to be different anyway. But again, you can kind of tell that it made the color of the flower print a little bit more vibrant once it went through the laminator. So then these are my last 2 envelopes, and then I went ahead and put in the that is my denominator, my cash breakdown for what I put in my household envelopes. I already have my breakdown for my personal budget, so I figured why use waste that space on the pouch. So at this point, I am now using my X-Acto paper cutter to separate the envelopes from each other, and then trimming off the excess. And you have to be careful when you're doing these so that you don't break the seal, because if you break the seal, then it'll come apart. So I made these a little bit bigger than I did the ones I made before were a little bit too small. So I made these a little bit bigger, but not so huge that they would not fit in my wallet. So they fit perfectly in my wallet. And actually, you'll probably see as the more I cut, so you can see I was trying to show where you don't want to cut on that bubble. I think I need to change my blade because it was starting to give me trouble and it wasn't cutting as sharply and precisely as it should have been cutting. So I knew it was probably past time to change the blade on it. But I'm really loving these tie-dyed, and so yeah, I think at this point my camera went out, so here's the finished product. My household envelopes, I think they came out super cute, and then my personal envelopes, and I like those as well. And just threw the solids in for a bit of contrast. So if you've lasted this long in the video, you already know you are a lifestyler. I truly do appreciate this, and I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial of my DIY cash envelopes. And yeah, so again, if you've lasted this long, you are a lifestyle. I truly do appreciate it. And until my next video, hugs and love. Bye.